Are you prepared to be blown away? We're happy to introduce a new air mover to our line for the Dri-Eaz product family. This is the Stealth High Velocity Air Mover. At 2600 CFM, the Stealth provides high velocity airflow that allows this unit to be able to use in new construction drying projects, facilities, ventilation for fumes and dust, in the water damage restoration marketplace. The Stealth's unique design, which incorporates a stand, allows rotational movement to be able to provide airflow to those challenging areas, maybe high ceilings, walls, or other problem areas where you're trying to get airflow. One of the other unique features about this unit is it's only 2.7 amps. That allows me to be able to daisy chain up to 4 air movers on a single circuit. What's also unique about this unit is its ability to be able to stack one unit to the next for secure storage, not only in a vehicle, but in your warehouses. The Stealth's advanced blade design allows for quieter operation and provides high intensity airflow. It provides versatility and a great ROI for your business. Thanks for taking a look at our product, and we know that you'll enjoy using the Stealth in your business.